The true hope of a nation lies with the education of its youth. Hi, my name is Dinesh Rai and I am working as a PGT Physics for Shivom Vidyapith at Sakra branch. And I am here to put my opinion over the meaning of education. Of course, it is an opinion, it may changes person to person. But let me put the point that what the education is not first. For me, education does not mean getting highest marks. It also does not mean getting high profile job and living standard and prosperous life. These all things can be achieved by having command over the information and knowledge for some relevant fields or specific fields. These information and knowledge can be achieved from anywhere, from books, libraries, television, social media, even coachings, schools also. But does the knowledge and information is enough? This is only the education? No. At least for me, education brings us the freedom and sense of realization. Freedom of speech, freedom of expressing yourself out of the box without fearing, freedom of creating something, freedom of using the data or the information or the knowledge you are having is the true education. Let me put some points here. Let me say that there is a process. Now three attributes of this process is there. What is the process? When does it occur and how does it occur? When I say what is the process and when it does occur, it means you have to remember two things, the date and the definition. But when you come to know how does it occur, there is the concept of education. Since you can only understand how does it occur if you know the real sense of existence or the real sense of realization of its existence. So I hope you understand that there is slight difference between knowledge and education. Let me give one more example, that suppose we are having two teachers having same information and knowledge, but what is the thing that makes them different? This is the role of education here. Education brings you the freedom and confidence among you. It will always teach you how to apply those information or knowledge towards the society. It will brings you the creativity. Education is the continuous process of learning and developing skills. So I will say that apart from the knowledge and information, education means freedom and realization. Knowledge brings you upward, realization brings you towards the enlightenment. So education overall brings you the enlightenment. Thank you.